po mangga sa mangga o ati sa atis yan.
Ano?
Communist countries including Vietnam, Cuba, North Korea, pag news outlet nila, although alam natin in reality may say sila, just like PTB4, in reality, hindi dapat, but in reality, kahit sinong administrasyon ay may say sa PTV4, is not considered track 1. Hindi siya track 1. So kung hindi ka track 1, pwede ka mag-caricature. Media yun eh. Kahit na alam ng Communist Party. So if our diplomat ask, is that official? Sasagutin ka, that's our news. Hindi kami.
Which is deniable, Mr. President, and therefore
Unfair.
okay lang.
No, it's not okay lang.
Well,
It's not okay lang, Mr. President.
Why
It is the
when we
international-
defend when our officials caricature, it's not okay. But when
Pero pag
their
sila
state-controlled news caricatures, it's okay.
No, Mr. President.
Ayan, dyan nahuli sa sariling mantika si Cayetano. Ganito kasi yan. Ang point lang naman nito, dapat kung pwedeng gawin ng China, pwede din natin gawin. Bakit? Why do we treat China with so much reverence when their state-controlled media is actually making fun of our president, Bongbong Marcos. 'Di ba? Alam nyo, hindi ko binoto yan si Bongbong Marcos, pero kung meron taong dapat mag-caricature lang, dapat tayo lang. Acting din yan eh. Kung ayaw mong maki-jamming Cayetano, umuwi ka sa inyo. Uwi!